welcome back to the Physics guys, and in today's video we will discuss about another difference from class 12 chapter 3 current electricity, and the difference is the difference between Kirchhoff's first law and Kirchhoff's second law. So let us start the session. Okay, so here the first difference between Kirchhoff's first law and second law is the statements of first law and second law respectively. So the statement of Kirchhoff's first law is that the algebraic sum of all currents meeting or leaving the junction in the circuit, is zero. So mathematically this law can be written as the sigma, that is the addition of all the currents, sigma I is equal to 0 at junction. So at junction sigma I is 0. On the other side, the statement of Kirchhoff's second law is that the algebraic sum of all potential differences across all elements in circuit and sum of all EMF of all sources present in circuit is 0. That means that mathematically sigma of V, that is the potential difference, and sigma of EMF E of all the elements in all the sources in the circuit is 0. So this is the basic difference between Kirchhoff's first law and Kirchhoff's second law. Now next big difference is that the Kirchhoff's first law is also known as junction law, okay, or current law, whereas the Kirchhoff's second law is also known as mesh law, loop law, or sometimes it is also known as voltage law. Okay, so this is the second difference, that the first law is called junction law because in the statement itself it is the mentioning of the junction at which the summation of all currents is 0. Okay, whereas in the second law, in statement itself there is a mentioning of potential difference or closed loop, okay, and voltage. So that's why it is called mesh law, loop law, or voltage law. Next important difference is that the first law is based on conservation of charge, whereas the second law is based on conservation of energy. Here one important difference is that the first law can be applied to open or closed circuits, whereas the second law, Kirchhoff's second law, can only be applied to closed circuit. Okay, so these are the basic differences between Kirchhoff's first law and second law. Okay, their statement, then their names. Okay, then third point is representing the law is based on which type of conservation law, and fourth one is the special condition on which we can apply the laws. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you have watched the video till now, then don't forget to hit the like button. Do share this video with your friends. Hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.